Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we're doing a flip through of April in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I start out my month with a couple little happy planner stickers on my April index page. These cute little gals are from one of my Stick Babe books. This is from the Essentials book. If you caught any of my haul videos for March, I did a lot of happy planner sticker shopping in March, and I kind of like to decorate this page in some way. I've done a lot of florals or quotes in the past, but I just wanted to add these cute little gals here to my planner. And so that's what we have here on the index. And then for the monthly highlights, I'm using Planner Kit 318. This is the Lavender Fields sticker kit. I always like to kind of put what was my monthly kit, my weekly kits. If I can find a cute quote, this is actually from Chrissy Ann Designs. It's from one of the books that I bought from Michael's when they did their release in April. I like to put my projects in here. I did a little bit of decluttering and took some Easter themed dishes to my niece Nessa because they just got a new house, and so I wanted to give her those. I bought paper that I needed to continue with my Christmas card scrapbook. So all excuses should be gone, friends. I should get back on track with that. And then here in this section, I will write down my memories for April. I tend to do that after I've done my flip through, just because sometimes I do get a little personal in them. And so I will do that next. And then just in my currently section, what I'm reading, what I'm listening to podcast wise, and what I'm watching. So I had finished the book, What Alice Forgot by Leanne Moriarty in the month of April. I really liked this one. This was my third book of hers that I've read. And I really did enjoy it. And then I started reading Blossom Street Brides. It was just a book I picked up in my little free lending library around the corner from my house. Very cute book. It's now May when I'm filming this, and so I did finish this book. Reads like a Hallmark movie, and which I'm a big Hallmark movie fan, so kind of sweet and cheesy. Everything works out great in the end, kind of thing. And so it was just a really sweet, fun read. Was listening to Crime Junkies all through April. Kind of had to take a break because I started to have nightmares. Friends, I don't know why I got into this true crime thing, but I love it. But I'm also someone that gets really scared about this stuff. Like, I don't watch horror movies and all that kind of thing, but I really do like this podcast. And one of my planner friends recommended another podcast that I'm going to be checking out here in May. Was watching Formula One, the Grand Prix season, The Mighty Ducks, the new series on Disney. I started watching that, and then All Good Things. This was a really scary thriller type movie. With Kirsten Dunst and Ryan Gosling. And I think it's because seeing this movie, like it was kind of a true crime thing, kind of scared me. And so I think that's why I started having bad dreams. So I've kind of put my true crime on a little bit of a break. And then just some notes from a college counselor call that we had with the girls. I actually use my notes pages for notes. I don't like set them up for any other planning type purpose. I like to just have that blank page in there. And then here's my monthly spread, of course, again, using the Lavender Fields. This little script here is from Nicole Hutch Designs. Over on the sidebar is where I like to put things that happen every week or daily, just things that would clutter up all of the space here in my monthly. We had spring break during April, of course, for my girls. This little pencil day, this is actually a sticker from my March kit, which is a palm and oak kit. They gave you a sheet full of stickers with all the fun holidays. And since this fell on April 30th, I just went ahead and put it in this monthly spread because this first week here was more of April than March, and so I just wanted to include it here. That's all. The rest of these either came with the kit. This FCS, that's Fern Creek Stickers. In April, she was still doing pre-sales the first week of the month and then shipping on the 3rd. Her shop has now opened back up as of May 8th, and I think she plans to stay open through the summer. So really excited about that because I do love her stickers. But this was a really sweet pretty kit. I liked the colors. I liked this kind of icy blue in here mixed with the lavender. So that's what my month ended up looking like. And then the first week, this is a Fern Creek Stickers kit. It's number 72, Happy Easter. I just thought this kit was adorable for the week of Easter. I loved this sort of steel lavender. It's a lavender, but kind of grayish. I thought it was really pretty. I liked using the decorative full boxes in here. I love that she includes a habit tracker, so I didn't have to draw my own in, and the cute little paw for Otis. These film upload, this budget, these scripts are from Planner Kate. This bank and this canceled are from Phoenix Plans, and then this fill up gas tank is from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then this family time is also another Planner Kate script. I really liked this color scheme. I loved the navy, the pink, and the green, like kind of all my favorite colors. I like blocking my work day, having space for my walk, and then putting all my to-dos down below in here and just kind of filling them in as I go. So, because most of my day kind of happens, you know, before the work stuff is all before 4 o'clock. So this was really fun. This little icon here, these are Planner Kate here, these little soccer balls. So that was week 1. And then this was week 2. So this is a mix of some Planner Kate items like these date headers and this washi. And then I wanted to try something different. I did more of like a Happy Planner style spread. So these florals here came from my Colorful Florals book, as did this one. And then these boxes as well. And so what I did was I blocked off the middle of the day and kind of put appointments. I kind of staggered them using these stacked boxes. I really enjoyed how this came out. I thought it was really fun. It was a little stressful doing the lettering on video. I had to do a lot of editing, but I'm kind of excited. I'm happy with the way it came out. This is also Planner Kate. The staff meeting script is Planner Kate. This Habits is Nicole Hutch Designs. What else do I have here? This Focus on Family came from the Happy Planner book. This is a Planner Kate, and then this is that same Nicole Hutch Designs from the previous week. And then this is just, as you can see, Panda Express, this is just one of my fortunes. I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I come across a good fortune in a fortune cookie, I like to save them. And so I thought this was a good one. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can. Just something that I sometimes need to remember. And so I stuck it down in my planner and gave it a little bit of a highlight. So this was week 2. I'm excited. I think this looked really good. So I'm happy to just, you know, kind of continue to challenge myself to pull in more of those Happy Planner stickers because, you know, I love all their florals. Okay, so the next week, this kit is called Blossom Boulevard. It's from Orange Umbrella Co., another one of my favorite shops. I just fell in love with this washi down here. All these cute little row houses, looks like a quaint little English village. And me being a Jane Austen fan, this was just right up my alley. I loved all these cute little topiaries in here. I tried to throw those in here and there. I'm not quite there yet with really being able to use the clip art type stickers, and so I'm really trying to push myself to do that. This little icon here is Phoenix Plans. This little nail polish bottle is Planner Kate, and of course all my soccer balls and basketballs are Planner Kate. This little squiggly doodle is also Planner Kate, as well as these film edit and upload ones. I thought this was a really sweet kit, and I loved the way this turned out. I'm glad that I got all of these little clip arts because I feel like it, again, pushed me to kind of try something different. So that's that week. Oh, sorry, and this little recycle. I love using this to help me keep track of our recycle since it's only every other week. This is from Big Elephant Plans. And I love that it's just this small little icon because it fits nicely up there on top without covering too much of my washi. Okay, so then this week here I go back to Planner Kate Kit 318 Lavender Fields because I bought the monthly as well as a kit for the weekly. I had picked up also some of these game stickers. Now this is, I believe, an old format that is probably going to be retired because I think she's reformatted it with that cute little like stitch outline. but I bought these anyway because I love this. This is perfect. So I can remember who they played against if we're playing at home or away. I also like these ones here, so I don't have to put the soccer ball. I could just put practice. They start at practice every day of the week. I had one of my brother's birthdays. And then this Heart Guard, Next Guard, this is also Planner Kate. So all of this pretty much came from the kit or is just additional Planner Kate stickers. This, again, the thermometer is from Phoenix Plans though. So this was, yeah, pretty much all Planner Kate. Oh, this little happy birthday here for my nephew's birthday. This is actually from Chrissy Ann Designs. And of course, you all recognize these cute little Planner Kate girls. This was a fun week because, as I just mentioned, I had cleared out some cute little like holiday Easter dishes that I wanted to take to my niece. And so what I did was I went ahead and I picked up lunch and I took it out to her and we had lunch together. So that was kind of a nice way to break up the work day and just kind of take a little bit of a break and enjoy some time with her. So this is, again, Lavender Fields. And then I think this is the last week now. Yep, the last week of April. This is, again, a Planner Kate kit. And how I came across this kit was I had purchased a grab bag, like a Misfit reformat grab bag several months ago. And the sampler sheet C, was in that kit. And I really liked it. So I went back on her shop just to see if anything else was still available, and all the sheets were. So I got the full boxes, I got washi, I got these cute little scallop labels. I don't buy these a lot, but I think they're adorable. So I use them for all of my filming and editing and uploading there. So I really ended up liking this. It's a cute mix of like the purple and sort of that goldenrod yellow. This little gal, of course, is a Happy Planner stick bag. I thought because she had the purple dress on, she would be cute. This box just kind of looked kind of plain to me. I don't know why it was bothering me that there was nothing on there. So I went through my book and found this cute little gal and just added her in. Again, that's Nicole Hutch Designs. This is also Nicole Hutch Designs. So I love that. So I can track, kind of just making sure I'm keeping track of my budget. Again, the thermometers from Phoenix Plans. I love this. This week in April, I had just kind of had it and I just needed a break. So I did take the break over the weekend from doing my walking. And as well as on Wednesday is typically my rest day because I have an early morning meeting. And so I don't usually have enough time to get out on my walk. Because it takes me about 35 minutes to do my walk. And then I try to do at least 10 to 15 minutes of stretching. So all that together just on Wednesdays doesn't work out before my 9 a.m. meeting. And so I kind of just gave myself a break. And then let's see. So going into my dispersed pages now, again, just using my notes pages for actually notes. This is like a parents meeting that we had for the school. My monthly cleaning, I'm using washi from the Lavender Fields kit. And then these are just event labels from Planner Kate. It's the CLR3. I like to have one sheet of each color, and I'm just about there. There's still a couple colors that I'm missing, but like all the main colors, like all the different blues and pinks and purples I have now. So I'm almost there, but I really like them for using for this kind of stuff. So all of my little scripts here, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. I love them, and hopefully you'll catch in my May monthly cleaning page, I've got even more scripts that I've added. So here's vacuum, water plant, scoop, poop, garbage. So those are all from Phoenix Plants. This icon, this garbage can, is also from her. This little laundry basket is, I believe, from Chrissy Ann Designs because it's a vinyl sticker. And then on the back side, this is also from Chrissy Ann Designs. And then I've got my little Planner Kate gal here with her vacuum. I did pretty good with my monthly cleaning. One of my planner friends had asked, do I really do all of this? And I will say, yes, I'm pretty religious on the daily tasks and the weekly tasks. Like that's house cleaning to me. And then the rotating and the monthly, I do what I can. I like to do as many as I can, but some of them just don't make sense for us. Some of them I do on a regular basis anyway. And then, it's depending on the schedule, what can I get done? So that's my cleaning. And then for my social media, just a reminder, so I tear out these monthly spreads from an Erin Condren planner that I'm not using. I clip them and then I slip them in. They do pretty good with holding up. I don't know if you can see this, but it's not 100%, but it's pretty good. And so what I did was these labels are all from Planner Kate. It's that CLR 3 label that I like to use. The social media and these cute little icons here are from Big Elephant Plans. And exciting news, friends, I reached 300 subscribers for my YouTube channel in April. So thank you so much for those of you that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Here I like to just kind of track my growth. So at the end of the month, I'll go in and I'll compare end of April to end of March, just in YouTube and Instagram to see how much I've grown. I like to put my videos on these stickers, and then whenever I post on Instagram, I just kind of write in little notes on what I posted. And then this is sort of my tracking page for social media. It's basically just the dispersed to-do list. So you can add this at the back of every month in your Plum Paper planner. And what I did is I converted into my social media planning page. So I've got YouTube and then current ideas, just kind of tracking a list, an ongoing list of ideas. So if I ever need to throw up an extra video, I have an idea for that. And these scripts are from Big Elephant Plans. This icon's from Planner Kate. And then this washi here is just leftover washi I used from the Planner Kate Easter kit. I used this kit in my budget planner, and so I had some washi that I just put in here, and then I just write this in with a gray paper matte flare, and I kind of track how many each of the weeks, and then kind of the monthly setups that I do, and then any extra like haul videos that I might have. So this was for the month of April, and then that's it. So that's it for my April flip through. Friends, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.